The Aqua 360 bidet. This is an interesting product. I picked it up off Amazon for like 50 bucks. And it's amazing. Everything they say, go watch the video on Amazon from front to back. Everything they say is easy. It was really easy to install, really easy to set up. Now they say no tools needed. That's not true. I originally put this long one on, is what I did. The very long one. And I still needed to buy some sealant tape to wrap around the thread, and then I tightened it up. But other than that, it was perfect. Now, I've seen some bad reviews on this thing, on people saying it leaked, it didn't connect properly. I don't know if they did something wrong or what they did, but I literally hooked this thing up in like 10 minutes. It really didn't take any work at all. Now, you're supposed to, it says in the instructions, reach around behind you and actually turn off the shutoff valve when you're not using it. And then when you choose to use it, turn the valve on and then use it, which really is not a big deal. Taking pressure off of everything instead of leaving the pressure on all the joints, which would probably wear it out quicker. You can use this thing to wash your toilet. I mean, it truly is amazing. It really is. You're going to use less toilet paper. You may even not even need toilet paper. I mean, it is super amazing. I really can't get over how affordable this was, how easy it was to hook up, and how clean and refreshed you feel. It's better than baby wipes. It's better than just toilet paper. I mean, when you go to countries like Japan, I mean, they got some fancy toilets over there with blowers and heaters and everything else. I mean, they take their toilets very serious. And how do you even make a video like this without everybody wanting to crack jokes in the comment section? So I'm just kind of shaking my head. But if you're not aware that these things are out there, they are. I'll put a link to this one, but if anything, pick up another one if you don't like this one. Take a look around, watch the video on this. If you're a little paranoid because of the reviews, I don't know. Like I said, it worked perfect for me. So it wasn't a really big deal.
The Aquaus also has the perfect size spray pattern to clean you quickly and efficiently without creating overspray, and only wets a small area on your bottom. So rinsing with cold water is not a problem because it only takes a few seconds to rinse squeaky clean.
Now this Aqua Bidet 360, what made it so easy to install, the item that hangs off the tank is just hooks your sprayer on it. But all the magic happens just underneath the actual toilet bowl. Let me zoom in here so you can actually see what I'm talking about. This is where it connects, just under the toilet bowl. So really, all you're doing is unattaching the hose that's already attached to your toilet bowl and screwing that to it, and then you attach that hose to the bottom of it. And you're basically off and running. Comes with complete instructions. The video's pretty explanatory. But this really was super easy to install. And I mean, I'm not kidding when I installed it in less than, I don't know, not even 5 minutes. I did use some sealant tape. I mean, around the connection when I added the longer nozzle. You can decide how big you want yours. But that was the only thing I did. Now, they say you don't need that, but I don't know. I had to put it because I did have a little bit of a leak without the sealant tape. But everybody in my house is raving about it. They all love it. And now we're all wondering, like, how did we go on without it? It's one of those gadgets that's really cool. Not something most people really want to talk about, but it is pretty darn amazing. Really amazing.
The Aquaus 360 includes everything you need for easy installation without tools or a plumber, and easily installs on all standard type toilets. With the state-of-the-art NSF certified high-quality 1/4 turn blowout-proof brass ball valve and T-connector, with the anti-cross thread super strong polymer nut with finger grips for easy installation without tools or a plumber. The Aquaus 360 safety shutoff valve and T-connector are designed with the on-off knob and hose connection in front, making the on-off lever easy to reach.
So if this is something you want to try out, like I said, it was an easy 50 bucks. It took less than 10 minutes to hook up. and you're off and running to the races. If anything, use it to clean your toilet, and you're just going to love yourself to death for picking it up just for that alone, because it's going to make your life so much easier. At any rate, links in the bottom. Go pick yourself up a bidet. You're not going to regret it. At any rate, I'll catch you guys on the next one.